people. So this recording that I'm doing is with a little bit of editing, like as in I'm trying to bring a closer focus into this. Uh, there's very little about editing that I knew, and I have this little young man with me, and this is the place where I'm staying, and I have this young man also with me, and they are both equally fascinated with the rabbits, and they are blocking my view. But what to do? This young man in particular is a bit cranky. He's just 1 year old, and this is the place where I'm staying. It's nice. It's quite pretty and nice actually. So the thing is, I'm not able to come in the frame and speak at the same time. But however it goes, I'm just glad to make these short videos. So that is Renu there. You can see her as a blob of light. It's a very calm and peaceful place. Nice. So this is Sandeep, and this is आपका नाम संदीप. नहीं नहीं अच्छा. So आपका नाम Praveen. So these are two helpful young men. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.